What's Sublimic? What you can learn from this content. 1. Concept. Sublimic is a coined word created from the English word sublime to mean excellent, refined, wonderful, and of the greatest degree. Next, we will introduce the world of Sublimic through a video.
Beauty. It has many definitions. Your unique power lies within you. Beauty creators can draw out this distinctively inherent grace. In that moment, Sublimic Advanced Science supports you in regenerating your hair and scalp to the original states, creating the foundation for vibrant colors and lasting shapes. It unleashes a glow specific to you. Wrapped in radiance, let your individual splendor shine. Awaken beauty from within.
Sublimic. Awaken beauty from within. Beauty has many definitions. Your unique power lies within you. Beauty creators can draw out this distinctively inherent grace. In that moment, Sublimic Advanced Science supports you in regenerating your hair and scalp to their original states of beauty, creating the foundation for vibrant colors and lasting shapes. It unleashes a glow specific to you. Wrapped in radiance, let your individual splendor shine. 2. Key values. Sublimic has 4 key values. 1. Salon experience. 2. Personalized care. 3. Technologies. 4. Salon support. 1. Salon experience. Through premium service by the hands of a professional and a space that comfortably stimulates the 5 senses, Sublimic provides the customer with an ultimate salon experience for the hair, scalp, and mind. 2. Personalized care. Personalizing the salon experience based on the needs of each individual customer will heighten her satisfaction to the fullest extent. 3. Technologies. Sublimic has 4 key technologies. Using unique technologies, it draws out one's beauty. 1. Hair reforming technology. 2. Self-moisturizing technology. 3. Daily shielding technology. 4. Uplifting aroma, embracing aroma. 1. Hair reforming technology. Healthy hair strands have a beautiful round shape, but when hair is damaged, it affects not only the cuticle and inside of hair, but also the cross-sectional shape of each individual strand. Due to this, problems will occur. Strands are more prone to rub against one another, leading to more damage. It becomes difficult to retain moisture inside the hair. Light is diffused and hair has no shine. Strands tend to tangle, making hair hard to manage. So we developed a technology to correct the hair's cross-sectional shape, which has been changed by damage, and restore its beautiful round shape. This is the unique technology which has a new concept of damage care. 2. Self-moisturizing technology. Long years of research have found the mechanism for the production of the natural moisturizing factor, NMF, within the skin. When filaggrin, a protein in the stratum corneum, is broken down, NMF is produced. Enzyme BH plays a role in this breakdown. and we discovered a plant extract which activates this enzyme BH. Due to the power of this plant extract, moisture is generated from within one's own skin, and the retention of skin's moisturizing and barrier functions can be expected. 3. Daily shielding technology. The air contains microscopic particles like exhaust and pollen that cause hair and scalp damage. Many of these substances are fine particles that cannot be seen by the naked eye. Therefore, they adhere to our hair and scalp without us knowing. Daily shielding technology protects the hair and scalp from such airborne particulates. Phosphorylcholine, a protective biocompatible polymer, attaches to the hair and prevents static electricity. The hair surface becomes smooth, making it harder for particles to cling. 4. Uplifting aroma. Embracing aroma. Facial expression analysis technology and brainwave measurements are applied to validate the benefits of aroma. We are further deepening our research in aromacology by using scientific validation methods to address the happiness people feel when smelling a fragrance and the aromatic benefit of making people feel calm. 4. Salon support. We will help nurture human resources and support the creation of a premium space to enhance the attractiveness and values of salons. Summary. Sublimic has 4 key values. 1. The ultimate salon experience. 2. Personalized care based on the needs of each individual customer. 3. Technologies which draw out the beauty of the individual. 4. Salon support to enhance premium value.